Facts about flexible spending accounts. Today's financial tip is utilizing the balance in your healthcare flex spending account prior to year end. First, let's start with the basics. A flex spending account, or FSA, is an employee benefit that allows you to set aside money from your paycheck to cover certain out-of-pocket healthcare costs. The dollars that go into this account are exempt from tax. This essentially leads to savings on medical costs and expenses that's equal to your effective tax rate. There are limits for how much can be contributed to an FSA in a calendar year. For 2023, that limit is $3,050. Qualified medical and dental expenses include deductibles, co-payments, prescriptions, medical equipment, supplies like bandages, and diagnostic devices like blood sugar test kits. A main provision with the FSA is that the funds that have been contributed must be used in the calendar year, essentially a use it or lose it feature. For this reason, it's important to have an idea of what type of medical expenses you'll have for the upcoming year prior to funding it. The plan may provide certain options, such as providing a grace period, which allows an additional 2.5 months to use the money, or allow a carryover of up to $610 for the following year if all funds have not been used. The plan is not required to offer this and can offer both. If you find yourself with funds still in your account and don't have any further anticipated medical expenses, don't worry, there's still some time to use these funds. First, go to fsastore.com. From there, you can browse FSA-approved products. Certain items like sunscreen, first aid supplies, over-the-counter medications, and eyewear are some common items people use and often can stock up on. Other options may include eye exams, contact lenses, dental treatment, or chiropractic treatment. You may want to also look back over the year to see if there were any other costs associated with medical treatments you had throughout the year that you may be able to get reimbursed on, such as lodging costs. There's no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to flexible spending accounts. To decide if an FSA is right for you, forecast upcoming health and dependent care expenses for the year, plus general drugstore item spending, and become familiar with the FSA plans being offered. If you would like to explore if an FSA account would be right for you, take advantage of our free financial assessment.